Jen Myshrall.
And I'm John. Haley's in senior kindergarten this year and attended junior kindergarten last year.
When Haley was getting ready to go to kindergarten, I was on mat leave at that time with our youngest Carter. So I was really able to take my time to have some opportunities to go and look at other schools, go into classrooms. And I'd say right from the start when we went into St. Louis, especially into the kindergarten room, and met Mrs. Favreau and Mrs. Bond, we kind of knew right away that was going to be the school for us. And it was just the way the classroom was set up. There was lots of nature elements, which we both like outdoor stuff, so we felt very comfortable there. It was very calming. And we just got a really good sense from the school. They made us feel really included. They always remembered our names. And Haley really enjoyed going to visit there. So it just was a real easy decision for us that we knew that was going to be the school for Haley to attend, and then in the future, Carter.
I would say overall very positive and welcoming school. Lots of interaction with other parents and teachers.
That's what I would really recommend. It's a really family setting. We've got to know a lot of the other families, and that could be because maybe it's a little bit of a smaller school, but it just helps us feel more comfortable and Haley feel more comfortable, and made some good friendships both with the staff and parents there. So I would recommend it to any parent who's thinking about going to school next year. It's a great school for them.